They like mom talking videos. Okay, so he's pissing him on about his foot peg, brake lever, snap ring was bent. So I told him to beat on it. So he beat on it in the bag. Okay, is that the part that was bent?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, see the gap, how big it is?
Yeah, that's not good.
And see how they're not quite the same height? Guess what? That's bent too.
Well, he pulled it off with a screwdriver.
Well, I'm going to put it back on with a screwdriver. Okay, so now if you go like this.
Oh. Well, I should have stayed in school. Whoop.
Good as new.
Beautiful.
Of course, I didn't go to Harley, spend $2 for a new one, but oh well. You need one of these and one of these.
That's key.
This is the key. You can get by without this. You need this.
Okay, moving on.
Okay,